Hi! In front of me is FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by accessing devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access system. Following that, tap on languages and input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Now just tap on theme section, scroll all the way down and use those icons at the top right corners. Thanks to them you will see all available themes. Finally, click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and last but not least, hit apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but this time click on plus icon located under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!